Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. Today it's totally a disappointing day. The Muhurat trading, the sentiment was positive. Nifty was up 100 points and we thought this positive sentiment may continue because the global markets were not really very bad and many Asian markets were higher in the morning. Despite Moody's downgrade, the US futures were, it did not even give up 1/4 of what it gained on Friday. Europe futures were higher. But despite all these things, Nifty has fallen about 80 points. So yesterday it went up 100 points. I think 80% of that profit was wiped out today. But however, when Nifty went up 100 points yesterday, Nifty future did not go up by 100 points. And when Nifty fell 80 points today, Nifty future did not come down by 80 points today. So Nifty future is reacting moderately compared to the Nifty. The Bank Nifty was very volatile. Market opened, the open and high was same and then fell more than 200 points. Then again shot up more than 200 points to take that morning open high and then corrected and then it was consolidating. In fact, our market made 3 days of up move. I think if I'm not wrong, 2nd, 3rd and 6th of November. And after 3 days of up move, markets are just consolidating for the last 7 trading sessions. And I do not know how much more it's going to consolidate. Broader markets are looking okay, looking very good. It is as usual, once again, it is the large cap index heavyweights like HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Kotak Bank, TCS, Infosys and Reliance. So these 6 stocks is a standard, always underperform the markets. So that's why the markets are not able to recover. And just to give you some example, if you look at REC, PFC, Coal India, all these stocks have more than doubled in last few years, whereas all the large cap index heavyweights except ICICI Bank and all the remaining stocks, they are just struggling to give positive return in last 3 years. Then you can see the kind of underperformance. And in fact, last 1 or 2 years, the stocks that are hugely outperforming are the stocks that has been giving a huge dividend. Look at PFC, REC, Coal India, they all used to give more than 10% dividend yield. Look at BSE. So these are all the stocks giving a huge dividend. Even ITC also, it went up from 200 to 450, now is consolidating. So the growth stocks where the dividend yield is very, very little. So those stocks have not performed well for the last few years. So probably, FIIs as of today, as of yesterday, they were net sellers for 14 trading sessions. But I think today the data is still not out. Let me check again. But I'm sure even if it is not out, and most probably they would have been the seller. So if they are not selling, why the market is under so much pressure? So Nifty closing decisively below 19,500. So that's a very, very disappointing factor. So at least, in another 1 or 2 days, it moves back to 19,500 plus. So we can hope for better recovery. And probably today the markets were, today market did not move very violently, but within a small range, it was very violent, jittery we can say. So probably today US markets will be reacting to the Moody's downgrade news, and tomorrow US markets will be reacting to the very important consumer price inflation data news. So 2 days of this reaction we have to factor in on Wednesday morning because tomorrow is a trading holiday for us. So probably that is the reason why people do not want to take any long positions and ahead of these 2 big uncertainties. So probably that is the reason why our market was very, very jittery. So if these 2 Of course, once these two uncertainties are over, the day after tomorrow, the US government shutdown. So maybe all these uncertainties are over. Maybe, our market may take some direction, maybe later in the week or next week. And I'm still hopeful. Technically, the market showed long, but because it has shown long on a very shortened time frame day, that means yesterday, technically Nifty has shown long, but it is not a full trading session. So it's a Muhurat trading session, just 1 hour trading session, but that long was negated now. So I was waiting, for the confirmation today for the technical, but it has not given any confirmation. So now markets are, still looking slightly bearish. So these index heavyweights, so they have to start performing. Until they are performing, things are not going to be well. And even today also, the PSU banks have shot up like anything, but private sector banks, HDFC Bank is struggling around 1,500, Reliance is struggling around 2,350, and Infosys is struggling around 1,400, TCS is struggling around 3,360, 3,370. So most of these index heavyweights are struggling and not doing very well and not going anywhere. If one day go up, next day come. Yesterday, Infosys was up by 1.5%, but today it has appeared on the bottom 5 stocks. So we'll see as and when it recovers. The recovery may be very sharp and swift. So that's because I'm finding, I'm somehow feeling that, the markets are being compressed. So FIIs are still holding more than 80% short position. So we'll see what is going to happen. So let us see. But US market, US futures have recovered greatly. US markets, on Thursday, the Fed chairman spoke very hawkish. The markets fell, but the next day it recovered all the losses. So undertone is very, very bullish in US markets. But Indian market, I think maybe another 1 or 2 trading sessions, we might change to bullishness. So that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.